Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna go over 5 Bitcoin proxies that are great options for getting exposure to Bitcoin's upside. So if you still are borderline between not being sure about the risks associated with self-custody of Bitcoin, or if that is still too complicated for you to handle, but you still want to get exposure to Bitcoin's upside, then these 5 actions might be great for you. All right, so let's jump right in. My first action is MicroStrategy. Now, MicroStrategy is a company that have been buying Bitcoin, that have been their strategy for a very long time. But what a lot of people don't know is that MicroStrategy also engages in the provision in enterprise analytics of mobility software. The firm designs, develops, markets, and sells software platforms through licensing arrangements in cloud-based subscriptions and related services. All right, so if we compare MicroStrategy to BTC, let's go ahead and let's do that right here so you can see the correlation between this company, their stock price, and Bitcoin overall. You can see that they are very highly correlated. So in my opinion, MicroStrategy is a great opportunity for you to invest in a stock in a company itself, but also get exposure to Bitcoin itself. All right, so the next option here will be a Square, or formerly known Square, which is now known as Block. Now, Block have different services. Among one of them is obviously Square and also Cash App. So, for those of you who don't know, Block is a global technology company that focuses on financial services. So besides Square and Cash App, they also have other products like Tidal and Spiral. And Square helps sellers run and grow their businesses with this integrated ecosystem of commerce solutions, businesses, software, and banking services. But specifically, Cash App, which is one of the products that they have, allow the users to send, spend, or invest money in stocks or Bitcoin, which is why a lot of people think that Block is also a great opportunity to invest if you want to get exposure to Bitcoin, because their stock price is also very highly correlated to the price of Bitcoin. If you see here in the 5-year trend, this line here is Bitcoin and this orange area is Square or Block, and they are basically very highly correlated. All right, so the next 2 actions are going to be Bitcoin mining companies. Now, there are many Bitcoin mining companies out there. These are just 2 of the Bitcoin minings that I follow. The first one is Riot Platform, and when we look at the correlation between Bitcoin and the Riot share price, we can see that they are obviously very highly correlated as well. So we can see now that even though Riot is trading at $6.68, their price have been increasing a lot along with the Bitcoin price. The next Bitcoin mining company is Marathon Digital Holdings. This is also a very popular company about investors of Bitcoin mining companies. And as you can see here, if we trend the Bitcoin price together with the share price of Marathon Digital Company, we can see a very high correlation between these 2 prices as well. So with Bitcoin mining companies, the only thing that I will say is that you also need to be aware of their management practices. Obviously, it's not a good sign when they need to sell their Bitcoin in order to finance their operations. So always be aware of what their management vision is for the company. But I will say that almost for the most part, any Bitcoin mining company that made it through the bear market now is going to be highly beneficiated from the upside of the Bitcoin price. All right, and the last option that I want to present you with is Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is also very correlated with not only Bitcoin, but the crypto market overall. In fact, in their last earning call, one of their questions that they had to answer was, what will Coinbase be doing in the future in order to not have that correlation to Bitcoin? Because a lot of people think that that is too volatile for the company to be basically exposed to. So they investors in Coinbase, they want to see something that is share price that is most related to the management of Coinbase and the future of Coinbase rather than BTC itself. All right, and with that, these are the 5 actions that I wanted to share with you today. I think that as we continue moving into the bull cycle for BTC, these are great actions that you can consider to get exposure to Bitcoin. As always, none of this is financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor if you are planning to invest on any of these stocks. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video.